Ladies and gentlemen, we have question B here, order of operations that we have to do. Very important concept because we use it all the time. And also, guys, I just want to remind you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Prof. Komlavi Math for Fun. We have more than 100 videos out there with detailed information from the pre-algebra all the way up. And we continue to add more videos. All right? Thank you very much. All right, let's go back. So B here is 48 divided by 3, bracket, 12 minus 4 times 2, bracket closed, minus 4. So we're trying to follow the BODMAS rule here, or the PEMDAS rule. It's just the same thing. All right? So that means we got to go inside the bracket first and finish what we have in there before we continue. So let's go. So we're going from the left to the right. So that means 48, we write it back, divided by 3 is back, no difference, and then we get inside the brackets here. So what do we need to do inside? So some people will be tempted to do what? 12 minus 4 first, and then multiply whatever answer by 2, and that will be wrong. It's a big mistake, all right? So following order of operation, because even inside the parentheses, that's what you got to do. That means you got to multiply first. So we bring down the 12, and negative 4 times 2 is going to give us what? Negative 8. You close it, and then you bring down the 4. All right? So now we're streaming down the bracket, and we need only one number out of the bracket. That's what we need to keep in mind. So that means what? We're going to have to do the operation here. So 12 minus 8 will give us what? 4. All right? So we just bring down 48 again, divided by 3, bracket, then we have 4 left inside, minus 4. All right? Do not forget, we're working from the left to the right. So when it comes to the BODMAS rule again, which one do we have to use first? Okay? Because here, somebody again will be tempted to do what? To multiply, because you have 3 times 4 here, because between the 3 and the bracket, it's multiplication. So the person will get 12. But that's not correct. Okay? So the first thing you got to do is go back again from the left to the right, knowing what? That we have an exception of the rule of BODMAS or PEMDAS when we're going forward. That means what? Between multiplication and division, whichever comes up first, from the left to the right, that's the one we have to go for first. Okay? So from the left to the right, which one comes first is the division. So we got to divide before thinking about the multiplication. So 48 divided by 3 is going to give us what? 16. So you got 16 here, and then your bracket, the 4, and then minus 4. All right? And then now we can multiply. Okay, because we're going from the left to the right. And 16 times 4 is going to give us what? 64. And 64 minus 4 is going to give you what? 60. So ladies and gentlemen, 60 is your final answer. And this is what we're looking for. All right? Thank you.